Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to get AirPods on Temu. So guys, before we begin, you can click on my link in the description below to get a $100 coupon bundle or use my code to get a 30% discount on Temu. So now guys, with that said, once you are on your Temu, just simply go ahead and go to the very top and you should be able to see here the search bar or the search icon. And from here, guys, just simply search for AirPods. And from here, you should be able to see multiple options that you can get an AirPods to. And now, in order for you to get a good deal, you can just tap on deals over here at the top, as you can see over here, guys. And from there, it will filter out a good deal that you can choose from. And if you want to be more safe or more secured, you can just tap on the stars over here. And from here, once you toggle it, it will only show up the 4 stars and above products over here. So all of these are good deals and all of these have a high rating on Temu. So it will ensure you that you are going to buy a high quality AirPods. So from there, just simply tap on the specific product and just simply add it to your cart and just simply select a color and select a quantity as well down below and just simply tap on add to cart. And from there, guys, once you are on your cart, just simply select the item that you like and tap on the checkout. And from there, guys, just simply provide a payment method. And from there, guys, just tap on submit order and just simply provide the necessary information in order to proceed. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.